This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video.
Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about top apps that you can make money from in 2021. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Let's grind. Did you know there are a lot of easy ways to make money online directly from your smartphone? Money-making apps help you do just that. The average smartphone user spends 4 hours and 30 minutes on their device every single day. While you could spend this time browsing social media and news sites, you could instead take some of your time back and earn some cash. After doing some extensive research, I ranked and reviewed the best money-making apps to earn fast cash this year. Let's get started. Here are my top picks for the best money-making apps to use this year. At number 1 is Swagbucks. Best for paid surveys and online gift cards. Swagbucks helps you earn quick bucks while shopping online, browsing the internet, and watching videos. You can also participate in online surveys, polls, or just play online games to earn more. You can redeem the rewards in the form of specific merchandise, gift cards, or cash. Swagbucks operates in almost all countries. What's more, you can register on Swagbucks for free through Facebook or your personal email. You can also earn through referrals and make some extra points. At number 2 is M1 Finance. Free investment platform for building wealth. M1 Finance provides a range of financial tools to help you manage your spending, investing, and borrowing. It also assists you in managing and rebalancing your portfolio. What's more, its intelligent automation gives you the best instruments to invest in cheapest options to borrow money. With just $10,000 investment, you can open a credit line where you can borrow for as low as 2%. It also enables you to earn 1% on every dollar spent. M1 Finance also offers a 25x the national average APY. It helps you earn the same amount in 2 weeks that you would otherwise earn after a year from a big bank. At number 3 is Wikibuy. Make money through better online deals and cash rewards. Wikibuy enables you to shop from websites and stores at the cheapest rates. After installing it on your browser, its database connects you to e-commerce stores offering the best discounts and offers on your purchase. Wikibuy's intuitive mobile app lets you scan the barcodes and find stores offering the same product at a lower price. It also adds coupon codes automatically and provides credits for your purchases on sites like Walmart and eBay. On top of that, you can also earn rewards by shopping from its partner merchants and vendors. So at number 4 is Airbnb. Best for making money by renting out extra space in your home. Listing your home is free. Airbnb provides you with a platform to rent out your room, condo, or any other property lying empty to make instant cash. The accommodation aggregator allows you to list your property on its website and reach billions of people globally. Since Airbnb is a vastly popular platform, you don't have to worry about marketing or promotion. From marketing to securing bookings, Airbnb does everything for you. You can easily get a booking and earn some money from your empty real estate. To keep your home and belongings secure, Airbnb covers every booking with $1 million in property damage protection and $1 million in insurance against accidents. Airbnb also allows you to share your experiences and take people on local tours. You can also make extra money by offering additional services like dining, transport, and cultural activities. At last is Turo. Rent out your car for free. Turo is an American peer-to-peer car-sharing company that lets you rent out your sports car, truck, or anything else. Turo can make you some extra cash if your car is spending more time in the garage than on roads. You can list your car on the Turo app and rent it out to Turo users. You can use its calculator to determine your monthly earning potential by renting out your car. The site claims that you can earn an average of $706 per month. Turo is available in 5,500 cities across Canada, the US, and the UK. To help you feel safe about your car, It offers protection against theft and physical damage in its contract. On top of that, it also covers $750,000 in liability insurance. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.